Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to circle words in Google Documents. Open Google Documents file that you need. Go to Insert tab at the top tools bar. Choose Drawing from the list and click on New. A new window will open. Click on Shapes at the top tools bar. Choose Circle Shape. Draw a circle. Right-click inside of the circle. Choose Edit Text from the list. Add the text. Resize the text if needed. Click on the Shape Fill color at the top tools bar. Set the color to white. Click on Save and Close. You will have text in the circle in the document.
That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!